Well, this is a very worthwhile award, and it's a forum for everyone to recognize the achievement of all the players in the industry. So it's a very worthy event, and we're very proud to be part of it. It's obviously a bit of a depressed economy, at least on the private equity side. Fundraising is hard now, investors are sitting on the sideline. On the other hand, anyone who has a fund and is looking to invest, it's quite an opportune time to be looking for investments because there are more sellers and more reasonable valuations, so it's an opportunity as well. Well, we're investing across the Gulf and Egypt, and we're investing in oil and gas and power, water, healthcare, education, a lot of the defensive sectors that are still growing on the back of a booming population and government infrastructure spending. Obviously, there's a lot of uncertainty, but as a private equity firm, we take the 5-7 year view. And our view is that Egypt, as the largest Arab country, will come back sooner or later, so we're willing to take that bet. Well, I mean, to give you an idea, the average profit growth across all of our companies in the defensive sectors I mentioned is a 30% annual growth rate over the last 5 years. There are certain sectors that are more cyclical, like construction, tourism, etc. And these are more prone to a slowdown and single-digit growth. Well, we're very excited about the launch of our latest fund. We announced a $300 million credit fund, which will provide growth capital and financing to promising companies. We feel it's a great time to launch such a fund because obviously liquidity is drying, but there are still great businesses out there worth backing and financing. So that credit fund will address this unique bottleneck we're seeing in the economy and will provide the necessary financing. Well, probably the way we get impacted is on the financing side. A lot of the banks in Abu Dhabi and the UAE get financed internationally from the capital markets. So that source of financing dries up. So directly, indirectly, our companies get affected by the lack of financing or higher cost of borrowing. So yes, we do get affected by what's happening by Europe. We're all living in an interconnected world today.